You have loads of leftover bread at home and don't know what to do? Well, here's a simple trick. Take all the different breads that you have, it could be any variety, doesn't really matter. Break them into these smaller pieces and add them to a pan. I'm not heating this yet, so just break them down. For the veggies, I have half an onion finely chopped. I have 1 small tomato finely chopped. There is some green chilies, this is optional, some green bell pepper, and some freshly chopped coriander. Now let's turn on the heat and then roast this for about 5 minutes till they start becoming a little crispy on the outside. Once they kind of heat up, keep stirring it so they don't burn. You just need a crispy outer lining on each of these breads. As you can see, the breads are kind of roasted here, which is good. We'll just move this for another minute and then we will pour this bread into a separate container. Keep this aside. In the same pan that is heated, add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Let's start by adding some mustard seeds. Also add a little bit of cumin seeds. Next, add in the curry leaves. Add the chopped onion and the chopped green chilies. Give this a good mix and let it fry for about 3 minutes till the onions become golden brown. Add in the tomatoes and the green pepper and stir them well. Fry this for another 2 to 3 minutes on a high flame. Next, add in some turmeric powder. So this is about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Red chili powder to taste, or you can completely skip it. Salt to taste. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and give this a good mix and let it fry for another 2 minutes. Once this is slightly cooked, I will add the juice of half a lime. Give this a good mix. Feel free to add some roasted groundnuts or peanuts at this time. This is totally optional. This is just for that extra crunch. I also like to add some ketchup at this time, just for the slightly sweet and tangy flavor. Just about 1 teaspoon, and give this a good mix. Again, this is optional. This mixture is all done, and now time to add in the roasted breadcrumbs. Gently mix them in. Don't be too harsh because you don't want these bread pieces to crumble too much. All the bread pieces are nicely coated in the masala now. And finally, I'm going to add some freshly chopped coriander towards the very end. Give it a gentle mix. And we are done. This is great to be served with hot tea, hot coffee as a snack or as a lunch meal. Dig in.